Okay, sorry, I'm refreshing my memory with these, with this program. So I'm drawing the inside of the house. So you can see I made something called a block. Blocks are something that are kind of like in the drawing, or you can have like a block library if you have the need for it. But for this one, I'm just gonna save it in the drawing. So I made this door so I can use it multiple times. Just get the measurements off the door inside your own house. Interior doors are usually like 2.5 feet, usually like 30 inches. Exterior doors are 36 inches usually. So I did this, usually about 2 inches thick. So you can create an arc for the swing of the door, ARC. Click the end point of the wall and the end point of the inner part of the door, because if you come around here, I'm coming inside the room. And then you get the arc swing. Just make it something that looks kind of natural, something like this. You always leave it extending a little bit for symbols. That's the way I've always seen it. Then you can come up here to create block. And again, I believe it's just storing it inside the drawing, which obviously is going to make your drawing a little bit more larger size file. But you just type whatever you want. So inner door is what I saved this one as. You can come down and select the objects. So select all the objects. Again, remember when I said earlier in a previous video, everything inside the blue get highlighted. If you go the other way, it's everything that's inside the green and that touches the green. So we just want to select those couple items, and then once it's selected, you can hit enter or right click. It'll bring back the block, the definition box again, and then you can click the point that you're gonna actually insert the block at. So I picked it at the hinge point right here. And the end point line is the green square. Once you have all that, you see your block is kind of like a little thumbnail right there. And you can put description here, whatever you want. Now I'm not gonna save this one, but you hit OK because I've already done this. So I'm gonna hit cancel here, and I'll show you the benefit of having a block. So now I can erase this. Again, I'm selecting everything inside the box. E is usually a command, E enter for erase. Right here it said erase 5 items. If you pop this up right here, this little arrow, it's your command line. Kind of goes through all the commands that I've been doing in this drawing. Something that you got to keep in mind as you draw, you get some junk that's in behind the scene. You have to like clean it up. So it'll also clean up that command line too. But once you have a block, I can either go and insert it. So I hit insert. The only one I have is this interior door, or the inner door one. Click it. I have that point that I want to intersect it at. Now, I know this is swinging the wrong way, but if you hit that point, click it again. Now it's all one object. Click this point and I type MI for mirror. Now I can mirror it. Again, make sure you're doing it at a 180 degrees so that it just mirrors exactly, and then boom. Now it's swinging to the inside of the room like you want. There you go, there's a little tutorial on how to make a block.